Guys, I am so excited for today. Today's a special occasion which calls for a special outfit. Now, this doesn't feel right. This is too much too. I'll just go like this. Hey guys, welcome to the video. As a lot of you guys know, Matt and I grew up together and we went to Round Rock High School. So as a way to give back, we wanted to come talk to some of the students in the business class, talk to them about our business and what we do and how much we love real estate and how passionate we are about what we're doing.
I never had anyone come talk about real estate while I was in high school, so hopefully we're going to add some value and open people's eyes to a whole different world that's out there. It's great to be back at Round Rock High School. It's changed a lot.
Yeah.
This seems like a college, to be honest.
Seriously. We feel like we're in a High School Musical. This building wasn't here when we were here last time. But yeah, we're pumped about talking to the students. There's going to be no chewing bubble gum.
No cell phones.
Okay, we'll see you in there.
We are big believers that real estate is an awesome way to set yourself up for the future and create financial independence. And the banks, they're going to want to see how are you going to pay this loan. Even though you're going to have a tenant that's going to be renting the property out, they're still going to want to know if that tenant moves out, can you cover this?